Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA starts to get interesting. We are, obviously the ADA conference is running. So you've got all these conferences and they happen at the right time. Crazy. So obviously we have a few green candles here. It's quite a strong move though. It's quite a strong move. The wave count doesn't need to change to my last update. In fact, it was indeed a wave 4 pullback here. Seems like it. It could be something different. We want to talk about that. But in the previous video, we talked about, okay, we had a wave 1, we had our wave 2, a wave 3, which, to be honest, looks very weird. And then a 4 and a 5. I told you that the micro count isn't very clear. In this case, it's following the count nicely, but I think something different might be going on. So we want to talk about that. But yeah, at the moment, it's just pushing deeper into the into that target area for the E wave. This is simply, I want to explain it again. Don't think the market or the price has to finish in here. This is not really a key level. It's just an ideal target area for the E wave of the larger triangle that started to unfold in December. We've been talking about that for months. A, B, C, D, E, with an ideal target area for the E wave set between 30 to 34 cents. Going above this level would not invalidate an E wave of the triangle. The E wave will only be invalidated above 38 cents, which is what I've been telling you for months as well, that if we see a break above 38 cents, something more bullish is likely going to play out. Possibly either an extension of the triangle, and I would have to recount the entire triangle. It would simply extend. The triangle will only be invalidated above 46 cents. But to be honest, above 38 cents, we will likely follow the yellow wave count. At the moment, they are mirror counts anyway. They move together. So the trend is up anyway. Multi-hour charts, the trend is up. So it doesn't matter at the moment if we're following the white wave count, which is currently still in an uptrend. But we need to be very mindful that the price could turn around here to the downside. As I explained before, in an environment in which Bitcoin goes up and other coins are going up, it is less likely that we break down. So it is very reasonable to follow the yellow wave count here and take it more seriously. So therefore, we are just simply watching these levels here. The next key level to watch would be the top of the box at 34 cents basically, and then the 38 cent level. Above 38 cents, the triangle will be, the triangle scenario will be difficult to maintain. Okay, so that's the key level where we flip basically and probably take this triangle out completely. At the moment, the trend is up anyway. We've been watching for higher prices from down there to get into this target area. And now we are basically there. So now the market needs to decide how we carry on. So it's pushing quite strongly. It will literally now depend on how this is going to unfold over the next day or so. Because if this wave 5 basically... well, let's talk about how high it should really go. So if this is a wave 5, at the moment it hasn't done anything unusual, but if we measure the length of waves 1 through 3, go to the low of the 4. Okay, so normally this fifth wave shouldn't really go above 33 cents, the 61.8 extension. Next extension level would be 36.3 cents. But if we get above that level, something different might be playing out. But again, it doesn't really matter if there's another count where I can count this as an ABC structure here. A, B, C. Does it matter? No, because the trend is up against yesterday's swing low, which was here at 28.4 cents. So it doesn't really matter if I count it as an ABC or as a 5-wave move up. Okay, so to me, it's the same. It doesn't matter at all. For me, it's important to watch the 38 cent level, literally. And maybe here the 34 cent level, which is the top of the box. That's another fib relationship. And then here, looking at the microstructure, I mean, watch the 33 cent level as well as a possible target for wave 5. But against the last swing low, the focus can, of course, be on higher. Yeah, there isn't much more to add, I think, at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit a like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.